Okay, so here I am in the morning session. I wasn't able to get recording when I jumped into this trade. I'm trading based on a 30-minute candle. I'm going to jump over there right now. So here we are in the 30-minute candle. All that madness I was there last night. Ended up taking a loss last night in commissions because I had so much over trading. But you can see where NQ is started to sell off here. Looking for a continuation on this trade. Not a huge one. Just basically looking for it to get just down into this zone right here. I may not get it though. We'll see if I get stopped out. It stops back up. It probably should have my stop a little bit higher. Just because this could come back up, retest what was once support, could become resistance. So I should give it a little breathing room right there. But I got two contracts in to the short side. I had one down here, and I added one on this retracement of this candle, that 50% retracement right there. See if this candle will hold, and then we can get the next candle open in about 15 minutes. And then start to sell off. If this candle starts closing above this red candle, it's going to make me nervous. But looking for a sell-off right now. Probably more in the next candle when it opens. So yeah, we'll bring that conclusion to you. Okay, so here we are with that NQ trade that I'm short in right now. It's looking pretty scary. The new 30-minute candle just opened a few minutes ago. It's on its way back down. Hopefully it'll keep on going that direction. At least come back down to this black line here. Let me get out that contract that I had put in. And that'll definitely reduce my risk big time on the trade, make me feel a lot better. But, you know, last night I was trading and I was mentally defeated last night. I should not have been trading. I got lucky and survived the night, you know, made $50, but after commissions took a small loss of about 20 bucks. And then today, same thing, you know, I'm just tired. I'm mentally defeated. I had a business meeting this morning, so clearly I wasn't focused on the markets, and probably shouldn't trade when I'm in that kind of situation, you know, because a bunch of things went wrong. I didn't really look at the chart. I mean, I kind of saw maybe that's a setup. Let me just jump in. Let me just wing it. And then I didn't check the risk before I got into the trade. And you can have like a nice win streak and be growing an account, and you don't check the risk on your trade before you get in. You could blow up everything that you've done. You know, you work for 2 months building an account up, and in 1 or 2 days you give it all away because you didn't check the risk. I'm not supposed to risk more than $500 in this trade. You know, and right now I'm risking like $1,500 in this trade. It's just insane. And if I wanted to get into a trade, you know, if I look at the trade and I say, well, the risk is too high, I have two options. I could skip that trade, and yeah, that messes with the probabilities a little bit, right? 8 out of 10 trades that are winners, and I skip the one and it's a winner. That messes up my probabilities a little bit. So I could do that though. It's better to mess up the probabilities a little bit than to give away, you know, 2 months of growth because the risk is too high. The other option is to switch over to the micros. That's the nice thing about the futures market. You know, I could switch over to the micros and then trade a few contracts over there and risk less than $500 in this trade, which would have been the right thing to do if I wanted to be in this trade. But because, like I said, I'm mentally defeated, I'm not thinking. I was very distracted this morning. I just jumped in and just kind of wung it, threw some contracts on the table. Not smart at all. So I definitely could use some luck this morning as well. Definitely got lucky last night. Could use some luck today to save my account. And yeah, we'll go from there. If I end up taking a loss in the trade, I'm supposed to get back in once it breaks this as part of the strategy. But that means I might take a max loss day if that's a loser, and I have a massive setback in my account. So definitely could use some luck. So this is a pretty big risky day, but we'll see what happens. I might get lucky here. Definitely high stress. I might need to buy a new stress ball after this. This stress ball is going to be broken by the time this trade is over. Oh man, yes, I have a stress ball on my desk when I'm trading. It's kind of nice actually. Okay, coming back down. So let me turn this to 1 so I can get that one contract out once I get down to this black line. All right, come on NQ. Give me a chance to save my day. Could just get this whole trade out, right? Because my risk is too high anyway. Man, what should I do? I feel like I'm frozen again. I'm paralyzed. I'm paralyzed right now, traders. I'm looking at this and just seeing dollar signs. I'm going to make so much money, and then I'm being paralyzed. Okay, here we go. Man, I'm paralyzed right now. Trader paralysis. Do you guys ever get that? Had it a lot last night, and I have it right now. Man, trader paralysis is hurting me right now. Could have got out with like $300 profit and called it a day, right? This is where you need that trading buddy to reach over and just push the button for you. Unplug your computer like I needed last night. Man, so bummed right now. Okay, so the YM has set up as well on a trade, Dow Jones, and I'm missed my entry, focusing on NQ over here. See if I get another shot. I might jump over there and trade the YM real quick. I could have got out, reduced my risk, just got out altogether, and just reset my brain, look for the next trade. I had that chance right there. I was telling you that I needed to get out, and just couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it. Could have had like $200 or $300 profit on this trade. Call it a day. Took that YM trade. Made another 400, like easily $1,000 day-to-day traders if I just didn't have this brain damage. Part of me feels like I should just jump out here and take a $600 loss, because 600 is manageable. You know, I've been making now around 500 to 600 a day, so I can make that back tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but next week. So part of me is like, just take it. Your brain is not there, man. It's better than losing $2,000 today, because that's going to take a long time to recover. Whereas 500 or 600 is not that big a deal. But at the same time, that's fear talking. Like, this trade's not over. I mean, I'm trading the strategy. It's not over. It's just the risk is too high right now. And then YM over here, breaking through there would have been nice. Man, looks like the S&P 500 is on its way up. The Dow Jones is on its way up. Gold on its way down, which means to me that NASDAQ is just lagging, and it's probably going to be on its way up as well. So I definitely, if I get another shot down there, I got to not be in trader paralysis, and I need to hit that button. Time to get the hankies out and start crying. Yeah, looking at my other charts, everything says going higher. Like, I'm looking at the 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, 30 minute, 1 hour. Everything says going higher right now. Gold's going sideways to down. All right, so I'm out of that trade. So a $1,400 loss on that trade. Epic fail today, traders. Mentally defeated, trader paralysis. Like, just this is how it happens. So this is how you blow up accounts. One of those things, and I'm not going to trade tomorrow, so I'm going to get to go into the weekend with this on my brain, which is not fun to be dwelling on that all weekend. Hate going on into the weekend on a red day. And I missed out on the gold trade and that YM trade. That would have been $800 right there, putting me at a nice spot right now, you know. So clearly you can see that this should be a resistance area. Tempted to get back into this thing short, actually. Unless it breaks the area and then get back in and switch it long. But right now it's tempting to get back in short. It's starting to struggle here in the resistance area. Okay, so I want to just jump in. I wanted to jump in here and talk a little bit about what's happening. So this is a voiceover. Clearly my day's already finished, and I'm analyzing what took place on this day. So for all you traders out there, there are those of you who can totally identify with this. You've been in this exact spot. You know exactly what's happening right now. And there's traders out there who have not been here yet, and you're going to be there. And I hope that this video in some way helps you out in the future when you find yourself in this spot, that you reflect on this video, you ask yourself, what are you doing? Think about what happens to me here, and then maybe it'll help you make a better decision. So when you're trading, a trader who's successful, who's makes a living trading, they do it because they found the very simple thing that trading is. It's identifying a pattern or a thing, having something to trade against that gives you a proven statistical probability of success. You trade those probabilities and you track and monitor them to adjust them as they might be changing. And all those things make up your strategy. And then your strategy has to fit your trade plan. And when you put all that together, you can have a successful combination and make a living trading. But when you take a trade based on your feelings, what you want, desire, clearly what you're hearing me say is what I want to take place. And I'm trying to find confirmation bias to justify what I want to happen, right? I want to make money. I want to recover. I want things to go the way I want them to go, etc. I want to control the market. Doesn't happen that way. So when you trade and you don't have a proven statistical probability of success, it's a casino trade. This is a gambler right now. This is a gambler you're listening to right now in this video, because I'm not trading with that. And when you don't have that, it's a casino trade. Any trade without a proven statistical probability of success that you're tracking, monitoring, that fits your trade plan is a casino trade, straight up. And right now I'm casino trading. And you're hearing the self-destruction of a trader who is not mentally fit to be trading today. So if you can recognize, that you're not mentally fit to be trading, and you can find a way to maybe even remember this video and be like, well, I don't want to be like that, and then shut it down. There's other days coming. There's more trades coming, more days coming. You're not really missing anything. It's better to walk away when you're in this kind of situation than to force your day and blow up your account, like to give back a month's worth of work. It's not worth it. All right, let's get on with the video. Strategy says I'm out. Wait for this to break and get long. So I'm just going to do the strategy says. And okay, so really tempted to get back in short here in the NASDAQ. It's struggling right now to get above this level. I may jump in short with a stop that's tight right here. It's not that, I'm already having a bang up day, so wouldn't be that much more risk on the day. But looking at the charts right now, everything is really struggling NASDAQ right now. So even the Dow Jones is starting to slow down. YM slowing down. Gold's starting to recover. So I'm really tempted to put in a new short here and risk a little more on NASDAQ. Based on a technical trade, not based on probabilities. So the words based on technicals. I'm going to get into this trade based on technicals. Again, a little voiceover here. What does that really mean? Based on technicals equals casino trade in most cases, because it's based on what I want to happen. It's based on confirmation bias. I was able to find something in the chart that confirms my feelings and the thing that I want to do, not the thing I'm supposed to do, based on a proven statistical probability. Not a good idea.
Order filled.
Okay, so I shorted one in the NASDAQ right here.
Order submitted.
I got my stop right there. It's a pretty low risk short, and I may get stopped out of it, but it's worth the go for me right now because there's NASDAQ starting to show some weakness right here, and I may see another retracement down, and that might recover a little bit of my loss on the day. Not looking to get it all back, just looking to trail one stop, or trail this one contract as this one starts to retrace back down potentially. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, seeing the struggle taking place. Right now we're looking at the 30-minute chart over here on Ninja. Man, I should just waited. Like I said, this is not the strategy. This is just me trading some technicals. Strategy said don't do it. But I did it anyway because I'm mentally defeated today, traders. I shouldn't be trading. I need someone to come in here and just shut me down. All right, so after this is the voiceover again, jumping in to kind of give you more to the story. So after that trade closed out, down $1,600, which is huge for this account. I should never be down that much right now with where I'm at scaling wise. So with that said, I went outside, took a walk, kind of reset the brain, came back in, and my strategy set up to the long side. So I jumped into the trade long. I tried to record it, but OSB shut down on me and didn't save that portion, or it didn't save a bunch of stuff. So anyway, so here it is. So now I'm in the trade long, trading my strategy. Went outside, got a mental reset, feeling a bit shaky, but a lot more focused. All right, so let's show you what happens next. Okay, OSB keeps shutting down on me. Hopefully this has been recording. So we got NASDAQ making new highs, S&P 500 making new highs, Dow Jones making new highs right now. So let's see if this thing can keep on pushing higher. Right now I'm down to losing $340 in the day. If I jumped out right here, it wouldn't bother me over the weekend because that's easy. I could easily recover that on Sunday or Monday. So part of me is tempted to put my stop in and pop out here and just take the loss. But do I get out of a trade that's on its way up into profits before it hits the targets? I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone right now, so it wouldn't be terrible to jump out or even take one contract or two contracts off here, which is also tempting to do. But I'm gonna let it ride. I'm looking for this target right here. Everything's making new highs right now. We'll let it. We'll try to be patient here. But as soon as I get into profit, I'm gonna start moving stuff. That's for sure. All right, here we go. 35, man. So see, now I'm getting locked up right now. Trader paralysis kicking in. I could have got out there break with $30 in profit. I could have hit the button. Could have got out right there with some profit on the day. Just called it a day. Say I survived. Man, I didn't do it though. I didn't do it. Second time. I got locked up. Oh, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Come on, NQ. Let's go. Man, I can't wait till this 1 minute candle closes. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. It's red, but it's not below the green candle before it. Oh, man. Now it is. Oh.
Order filled.
I did it. I pushed the button. I was able to do it. Yes, it's probably still going higher. I don't care. I just want to get out. So let me make sure I don't have any trades open. Let me go here real fast. Ninja. Any open orders? I have no open orders. Whoo! I don't care. This thing can go to the moon. Could have made $1 million today. I'm out. $55 green, which actually is a red day on the account. Should I take one more trade? Because of commission. So right now, I started the day with $1,536. I'm finishing it with $1,496. Up $230 in gold. Down $175 in the NQ. So, you know, basically I'm taking a tiny loss on the day of about $40. Even though I'm green 55. So I think Topstep will show that as a $40 red day, which will break my green streak, which means I need to take one more trade. It can't be done today. I need one more trade. All right, so I'm going to take one more trade if a good setup happens. Buying in a couple seconds here.
Order submitted.
Okay, in gold to the long side. In gold, I trade on the 5 minute chart. So you're looking at the 5 minute chart right now here in gold. So I wait for this candle to close. My target is 761. Stop. 26. 2575 right there. Basically the bottom of this. Up, buy.
Order submitted.
All right, jumped into the NASDAQ with one contract. Yeah, NASDAQ looks really great though. Came down to the support area. A nice rounded out bottom. Now it's on its way back up. Plenty of room to come back up and retest the new this area of resistance up here. It's great. NASDAQ, look, I feel really confident in NASDAQ right now.
Order
I'm
canceled.
going to take this speed bump off so I can start trailing a stop here to lock in profits on the NASDAQ. Okay, locking in profits there. Oh, trailing it up.
Stop filled.
Okay, so I'm out of the NASDAQ on that trade. So nice trade there. Let me go back over to gold real quick. Gold, get rid of the speed bump. Locking in gold.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm out. Let me make sure I'm out. Okay, no open orders. So I'm all out of my trades. I am done trading for the day. Thank God I got lucky today. Was able to go for a walk, get it together, come back in, take actual setups, and recover my day. Oh, man. So let's see what we end up. So P&L is going to be 221 on the day. What a roller coaster. I survived today. Hopefully next week I'll be a little bit more mentally fit and able to trade. So my account now is at $10,653. I'll take a $40 loss in NQ today. $230 in profit in gold in the GC and $31 in MGC in gold. So pretty nice right there for the way I was trading. I should have been up thousands today. Today was an easy green day today, but I blew it, traders. You know, between being mentally defeated and trader paralysis, it just wasn't happening for me today. So after commissions, I'll have a $117 green day. I'm good with that. I'm happy to go into the weekend green like that and survive the day. Everybody, hope you had I hope all of you had an awesome day. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.